Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is DESZREN. Most people call me Des. Feel free to call me whichever. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Today I'm going to be doing some mini twists on stretched hair. My hair is actually already stretched. It's been stretched for like 3 days now because I was waiting for a certain product to come in the mail. What I did to actually stretch my hair was I brushed it out, and then I put hair ties around each braid at my roots so it stretched my roots, and then I proceeded to just braid the length of my hair. So before I get into it, I'm gonna go in with my Chebe infused oil. I will be making a complete separate video talking about Chebe, what it is, what it does for your hair. This is all new for me, so I'm really excited to be using these products. Of course, I will link where I got them. But basically, what's in this bottle is Chebe infused oil, extra dark Jamaican black castor oil, black seed cumin oil, avocado oil, like just so many different oils that are really good for your hair and your scalp. So I'm just gonna apply that all over my scalp and then massage it in. I don't know why the smell of this reminds me of coffee, because there's like nothing coffee related in it, but it just reminds me of coffee. It kind of smells like weed too. Oh yeah, it definitely smells like weed. But not in a bad way, you know what I'm saying. The products that I'm going to be using to actually apply to the length of my hair is from the same brand of the oil. It is Chebe Buttercream. I know it's kind of hard to see because of the lighting, but it is eucalyptus mint scented, and I love eucalyptus. It's like one of my favorite scents. It smells so fresh. So I'm going to be applying this to my hair because it does not contain any water, I don't think, right? Yeah, I believe it's just a bunch of oils and butters and all that good stuff. So this is not water based, so this is not going to make my hair revert in any kind of way. And then I'm going to be applying a very small amount of the Edge Booster peach pomade. It's water-based pomade, but like I said, I'm gonna be applying a very small amount because I still want my hair to have some hold to it, because I want these twists to stay in. And to add a little razzle dazzle, I got some water to spray on my ends to get them to curl up, also to help the twist stay in. I actually was doing something a little bit differently than what I was doing when I first started. So chebe can be very strong and it's not recommended to be put directly on your scalp. So what I did was, instead of putting the chebe on my hair first and then the gel at my roots, I put the gel at my roots and then the chebe on the length of my hair. I wanted to avoid any kind of irritation, so I just started putting the gel on my roots first and then the chebe on the length of my hair, and that has been working very well. My scalp has not been irritated or itchy or burning or like anything like that, so we are good to go. I already started putting some of the gel on my roots here. I'm going to add a little bit more. Right about here is when I stop to spray my ends. Take a very small amount of gel and keep on twisting just so the ends curl up and the twist stays a little bit better. I'm taking my Texture ID styling foam and I'm going to apply that to the top of my head just so everything is nice and neat and clean. So I'm going to let this dry and let the chebe soak up in my hair, and I will come back and show you guys what it looks like when we are all done. Okay guys, so this is the final result. I'm so in love with how my hair came out, y'all. Like, I knew it was going to come out good, but sheesh, I didn't think it was going to be looking like this. I am going to be putting beads on the ends because I think that would just like really complete the look, but I am going to wait a couple of days for that. I will record a very short clip of me installing the beads just to show you guys how I do it, and then the final look when they were all installed. But these were super easy to do. It's just very time consuming because they are so small. I'm loving it. I think it's going to be such a nice protective style, especially for this cold weather and me working out and just trying to keep out of my hair, especially ever since I combed out my locks. I want to do all these different things with my hair now, but I also need to like pump the brakes and like calm it down because it's not good to always be in your hair, to always be manipulating it in any kind of way. So this is gonna give me a really nice break from doing all of that. Hey guys, so it is a few days after I did the mini twist and I was ready to put the beads in. So as you can see, I'm already like 80% done, so it's super easy to do. I just want to show you guys really quick exactly how I do it and what the final product looked like. So let's get started. First things first, I don't have like little plastic thing to actually bead your hair, so I've been using this crochet hook to load up the beads, and then I pull the twist through to put the beads on my hair. I also have black elastics, and I've been putting them in this cap and then covering them with oil just so they don't tug on my hair or rip my hair, cause any damage to my hair. So I have my twist here. And for this one, I think I'm going to do gold, clear, and gold. So I'm just loading it up. I'm going to take the twist. I try to get close to the end and pull it through like so. And then I wrap the end around the last one on there. Take one of my elastics. And then I just wrap it around. Until it feels secure enough, and that is really it. Super simple. Y'all, I love how my hair looks with the beads. I love the clicking and clacking. Like, I have not had beads on my hair like this ever since I was like 5 years old. So it's just so cute to me. I feel like it just really completes the look. I love it. It's just like, bam. They're just swinging and hanging. Like, I'm really feeling myself, y'all. Like, I don't know, these might have to stay in for longer than a week because it's already been a few days, just the mini twist. I told myself I was gonna leave them in for about a week and a half, but it might last a little bit longer because if I don't have to do my hair, if I could just get up and skirt, like I'm gonna get up and skirt. So yeah, I'm so happy with how they came out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, just drop them down below and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.